Welcome to this tutorial on navigating the WordPress administration screens. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your WordPress skills, this guide will walk you through the essential features and functionalities of the WordPress admin interface. From managing posts and media to customizing your site's appearance and handling updates, you'll gain the knowledge needed to effectively manage your WordPress site. Welcome to the WordPress administration screens tutorial. The administration screen is divided into four main sections: the toolbar, the main navigation, the work area, and the footer. Let's explore each section in detail. Toolbar. At the top, we have the toolbar. It contains links to various administrative functions and remains visible no matter where you navigate. Hovering over items in the toolbar often reveals additional options. WordPress logo. Hover over the WordPress logo to access links to About WordPress, documentation, support, and feedback. Site name. Next to the logo, you'll see your site's name. Hover over it for a quick link to visit your site. Quick links. Quick access to create new posts, pages, and media, as well as manage plugins and users, and review comments. User menu. On the far right, Howdy, User, along with your gravator. Hover over this to access your profile and log out. Main navigation. On the left, we have the main navigation menu. This menu lists all the administrative tasks you can perform, such as managing posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, and settings. You can collapse this menu into icons for a cleaner view. Work area. The work area is where the magic happens. Depending on what you select from the main navigation menu, this area will change to allow you to perform specific tasks like writing posts, uploading media, or configuring settings. Footer. At the bottom, the footer provides links to WordPress.org, thanking you for using WordPress, and displays the current version of WordPress you have installed. Screen options and help. Two important features under the toolbar are the Screen Options and Help tabs. Screen Options. This tab allows you to customize what fields or modules are displayed in the work area. Click to expand, check or uncheck options, and click again to collapse. Help. This tab provides context-specific help for the screen you're currently on. Expand it to see relevant help topics, and collapse it when you're done. Dashboard. The dashboard offers a snapshot of your site's activity and WordPress news. Welcome panel. Quick links for setting up your site. At a glance, summary of your site's content, theme, and WordPress version. Activity. Recent activity on your site, including comments and scheduled posts. Quick draft. Create and save a quick post draft. WordPress events and news. Latest updates from the WordPress community. PHP info and site health status. Technical details about your site's performance and health. Updates. Keeping WordPress updated is crucial for security and functionality. The Updates section notifies you of available updates for WordPress itself, as well as themes and plugins. You can update everything with a single click or manage updates individually. Posts. Posts are the primary content type in WordPress. In the Posts section, you can all posts, view, edit, or delete existing posts. Use the powerful bulk edit tool or quick edit for rapid changes. Add new. Create a new post, complete with categories, tags, and media. Categories and tags. Organize your posts by adding, editing, or deleting categories and tags. Media. The Media section is where you manage your site's media files. Library. View, edit, and delete previously uploaded media. Add new. Upload new media files using drag and drop or the browser uploader. Pages. Pages are used for static content like about or contact pages. All pages. Edit, delete, or view existing pages with options for bulk actions and quick edit. Add new. Create a new page with the same robust editor used for posts. Comments. Engage with your readers through comments. In the comments section, you can moderate comments, approve, unapprove, mark as spam, or delete comments. Bulk actions, perform bulk actions on multiple comments at once. Appearance. Customize the look and feel of your site with the Appearance section. Themes, choose and activate themes. Customize, use the theme customizer to adjust your site's appearance. Widgets, add and configure widgets for your sidebar. Menus, create and manage navigation menus. Header, manage your theme's header image. Plugins. Enhance your site's functionality with plugins. Installed plugins, view, activate, or deactivate installed plugins. Add new, search for and install new plugins from the WordPress repository. Plugin file editor, edit plugin files directly from the admin interface. Users. Manage your site's users in the Users section. All users, view and manage user accounts. Add new, create new user accounts. Your profile, update your profile information in settings. Tools. Use the Tools section for additional site management. Available tools, access tools like the categories and tag converter. Import content from other platforms. Export your site's content for backup or migration. Site health, diagnose and improve your site's health with detailed technical information. Settings. Configure your site with the Settings section. General, set your site's title, tagline, and other basic settings. Writing, control the default post category and format. Reading, adjust how your site's front page is displayed. Discussion, manage comments settings and notifications. Media, configure how media files are handled. Permalinks, customize your site's URL structure for better aesthetics and SEO. That's a comprehensive overview of the WordPress administration screens. We hope this tutorial helps you navigate and manage your WordPress site with ease. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on the WordPress administration screens. By now, you should have a solid understanding of the various sections and features available within the WordPress admin interface. This knowledge will empower you to efficiently manage your site, keeping it updated, secure, and engaging for your visitors. Happy blogging, and see you in the next tutorial.